Okay, this is Nervous Nick. We're going to do a Dell Latitude D630 factory reset. We're going to reset the BIOS the way it came from the factory. You'll restore all the settings. And I'm new to this site. I'm going to try and post 2 videos a week. So keep coming back here if you got the D630. If you got the D820 or Latitude D820 or Dell Latitude D620, they're pretty similar. If they got the you want the A19 BIOS, and I show you how to upgrade that too. I might post that in my next video. You might need that A19 BIOS for this setup right here, but I'm not sure. It should work. Give it a try for this restore. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna push the power. I'm missing a flange back here. Yours is silver in the back there. I know. I took mine out and it's at a different location. Okay, I got a pin blocking the light over here flashing on me. I took the hard drive out of here too. But anyway, okay, you're gonna push the power button. As soon as you push the power button, go over here in the top corner, F2, Frank 2. F2, start pumping it. You're gonna pump F2 up and down. Okay? And watch up here in the top right. It's gonna say something like going to setup or something like that. Preparing to enter setup. Okay, and then we're going to stop. When you see those words in the top right, you can stop pumping it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to push power. We're going to keep pumping F2. Here we go. Power. Now I'm pumping F2. Oh, and the bottom there's my BIOS, A19, at the bottom, all the way at the bottom. Okay, it just showed up here. It just set it up there in the top corner. It said preparing to enter setup. But I got a password here. Hold on 1 second. You won't get this screen probably, unless you got a password in there. Okay, here we go. You're gonna get this next screen. Yours will go straight. There we are. We're in the BIOS. Yours will go straight probably to the BIOS. All right. We got here. Let me zoom in a little tighter. I'm trying to keep the harsh light out the back there. All right, we're going to scroll down to, it's been a while here. We're going to scroll down to maintenance, down here where I'm showing the pin. There's my Easter egg, broken Easter egg. Hey, okay, so use your arrows in the bottom right over here. We're going to go down to the bottom to the down arrow, all right? Okay, we're going to pump it. We're going to go down to maintenance. Okay, then we're going to say enter. Try to keep it there. I need a tripod, I know. Okay, now we're in enter. It dropped down 2 more boxes there. Okay, we're going to pump down one more time on the down arrow to load defaults. And then we're going to say enter. We're going to pump enter. Okay, and then what happened, it turned green over here on the right side of the screen. See there? It says continue. Okay, but we're going to cancel. We're going to jump over to continue. And this is what's going to happen when we get over there. It says load the factory default values for all setup fields. It's going to go back to factory settings. Overwrite any changes you may have made. Overwrites any changes you have made. Okay. Sorry there. Okay, let's see. We're going to go back to the arrow keys. Go over one on the arrow to the right. Make that move. See, I moved it back and forth there. Move it with your arrow on the right, down the corner there. Okay, now we're going to continue. Now we're going to say enter. Okay, now we're going to drop down here in the bottom left corner. And it's going to say, we're going to do escape on the bottom to exit the setup. And we're going to get some more stuff popping up over here. Okay, go down to escape in the bottom corner. Top left corner here. Push escape. Okay, here's what popped up on the right. Do we run a maintenance setup? No. We want the middle one. So go back to the arrow. Your bottom arrow on the bottom left there. The right arrow, one right arrow. Move it over to the middle there. Save and exit. Now how clear that is. Save and exit. Now enter. Push enter. And that's it. You're done. Okay, this is Nervous Nick. I might have shook too bad there. It should come out all right. Nervous Nick, go ahead and check back here on the next video, and see you in the next one.